Welcome to the preview of the new Visual Show Director 8, 3D pyrotechnic and multimedia choreography software. Following are some highlights and new features of Visual Show Director 8. We have created these features to help you script your shows faster, more efficiently, and with even greater creative options. After installation, you will see the different icons for the Visual Show Director application suite. Now we are going to import older version project files. Visual Show Director 8 is fully compatible with previous versions. It's very easy and straightforward to import your older projects. Go to File menu and select Open Projects. Browse your computer for your directory with your older show. Here we're going to open the show from 2013. Double-click on the project file and a message will warn you that this is a project from a previous version. You just click OK to import. The project library window will open with all the files of the project selected. Click Import Project and select a new folder. Here we've already created one named VSD8. Give a name to the imported project and save. The files will be converted and will open. Rearrange the windows as you want. Save the project, and you're ready to work. Let's take a look at some of the new changes in the user interface. There are new icons, plus more icons for the new functions. The default toolbar does not show all of the tool icons in order to save space. By right-clicking on the gray area, you select which toolbars you want to hide or show. All of the icons have tool tips, explaining what they are and what they do. In the main menu, hover over, and you could also see all the tools and commands. In the Script Manager, we have 22 new columns. Here we will show you a few of them. Time based on milliseconds. Module and pin column. This column enables you to address to any firing system. Next, we have Custom 3 through 8. To add your own information as needed. Customs 3, 4, and 5 are also added in the FX Manager, so you can have more information related to your products, EX numbers, weight, date, etc. Customs 6, 7, and 8 are exclusive to the script for your own notes. Another new feature is the auto-addressing function in the validate addresses. Auto-addressing simplifies and speeds up the addressing task by using filters and sorts. Here is an example. In Script Filter, on the toolbar, Select one of the filters of a location on your show site. Then select Addressing Script Sort. Open Renumber Address panel. Select Renumber Address hex column. Select pin start and end 0 to F. Select the values where you want your filing modules to be changed. You'll see in the script that they have all been updated. After this is all redressed, go to Validate Addresses. Here you will get a module report This will tell you how many modules you've used and how many pins are available on each module. Here you can see that you have all of these modules that are used and all of these pins that are still available. Here are two very useful features, autocomplete and revert. These are two of the most unique and amazing features of the software, now improved in ShowDirector 8. To demonstrate the autocomplete feature, let's start by opening a new script. We are going to create a sequence starting at 10 seconds. Then choose Insert Cues. As an example, enter 92 cues. Five frames for interval, tilt 90, and event description around stadium. Then click OK. "92 cues are shown. Let's place the positions. P01 and P02. Now select the first cell, press Shift, and select the last row of the sequence, highlighting the entire sequence. Click on Autocomplete, the icon, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control F9. This action is also available from the Cues menu. When you click, you can see that all 92 positions have been entered with the data selected on the Insert Cues panel. Now click on the first row Shift, and select the last row of the sequence, highlighting the entire sequence. Control C to copy cues. Enter a new time to paste. Select the row, press Ctrl V to paste the same sequence again. Now, as a new feature, we can also do autocomplete from the time columns. We can change from hours, minutes, and seconds frames column, the milliseconds column, and the next column. So let's change the intervals. In the next column, instead of 5 frames, change to 1 frame. With the cell still selected, press Shift and select the last row. Press F9 or choose the fill down icon, and it will fill all the intervals to 1 frame as you see on the screen. Notice that the interval between frames is now 1. Next, we can change the event description using this same fill down command. Here we will demonstrate the progressive interval sequencing. We will show you how to create a progressive interval sequence. This is when the intervals progressively grow longer by 1 frame per shot. Enter a new cue, 45. Remember that we still have copied the original sequence, so we paste it again here. Ctrl V. Let's modify the interval. Select the first frame cell and put 1. Select the second frame cell and put 2. Select the first cell again, press Shift, and select the last row. Now, instead of F9 fill down, we choose the auto-complete icon. We can observe that the sequence is growing progressively in time intervals. In other words, the effects are firing slower with each progressive cue, which can create curved progression tops rather than straight lines. You can also see how this is reflected in the wave file. Finally, we will demonstrate the revert cues feature. To do this, enter a new cue. Paste again the initial copied sequence. And do it one more time. Enter a new cue. Paste again. Now we will revert the positions. Select the first cell, press Shift, and select the last row. To apply the command, click on Revert Selected Cues icon, or press Shift Ctrl F9. You can see that the cues have reversed their order. This is a very useful feature in order to make sequences that go from left to right and then right to left. To finish, just delete the extra rows as we don't want to shoot 2 times. Finally, here we have added an effect to the cues. So let's see how these sequences work. This concludes our demo of some of the new features. Please contact us for more information and enjoy getting started with Visual Show Director 8.